Hi mga kabayan, I just want to share my experience with We. It is a, an Asian store that you can order online. So, nag-order ako ng maraming stuff from them. So, let's see. I want to see the experience and want to share it with you guys. So, let's open one item here. I don't know kung anong naandito. Looks like it came from lagay dito LAX. So I guess galing pang LA from somewhere else. But anyway, let's open one. I just wanna share what I got here. Oh wait, ito yung mga freebies. So if you order, you get like $10 off. So, VCut, paborito ko ang VCut. I ordered 2. Although meron ng Asian store dito na malapit sa amin, minsan tinatamad na akong lumabas. Tsaka, just to save me time and convenience. So, I ordered online. I think this is yung kanilang libreng, like when you order, I think $49 worth, to give you a free gift. So, itong wicked bag nila. So, looks nice. You can use it, reuse it pag namalengke kayo. And then, let's see what's in here. Looks like this is the frozen ones that I ordered. I'm filming this just because, I want the other folks to experience or, maengganyo kayong umorder din sa We. It's actually We. Ito no? We. So, let's see. Na-try na to ng ibang mga friends ko, but this is my first time to order from them. Like I said, meron ng, Asian store malapit sa amin. But, ito yung, this is frozen. Ito yung ice. Okay, so this one is, ito yung in-order kong pork belly cracklings. Nakita ko sa mga, what you call this, yung mga review, sabi nila makunat daw. But I saw one review na sabi niya, in-air fry niya, tapos lumutong ulit. So, I'm gonna try that. Once na-try ko yan, i-share ko rin sa inyo kung makunat nga o malutong. But this is it, oh. I ordered this for, I don't know, like, hindi ko na ma-remember to show. Let's see. Makunat nga siya. So, let's try sa air fryer and then I'll share that one. Kasi mahilig ako sa pork eh. I don't know. Paborito ko ang pork than beef. Okay, so let's take this thing away. Nice. And then let's see what's here. Ito yung malaki. So I guess this is also ice. Let's see kung anong laman. Sabi nga nila, katamaran na yan yung papadeliver ka online. Deliver ka. Pero sa akin, it's convenience eh. I don't think I paid as much compared to when I go to the store. Typically, na-compare ko yung mga prices eh. It's pretty much the same naman. So, there's an ice here. And then, I saw this. Itong Yoshinoya. Gyudon beef. I don't know if you guys tried Yoshinoya. I like Yoshinoya a lot. So, normally, I travel a lot for work. So, I'll probably bring this sa travel ko. Although local lang. So, I can microwave this and eat it. Kasi sometimes when you eat out, nawawala na ako ng gana. And then, after work, like I visit sites, minsan gusto ko lang magstay sa hotel room and then, mag-microwave na lang ng rice. And, usually nagbabaon ako. And ako, Pinoy time talaga eh. And then, what's next here? Or I ordered some, was this ground pork. You know, you can order this in your local supermarket. Pero since nasa online na nga, I ordered na rin. I think it was like $3.98 something. Kasi gagamitin ko to for spaghetti. Okay. Wala na tayo ng ano dito, space. What's next here? Oh, there's ground beef naman. Normally when I cook spaghetti, hinahalo ko ang pork and beef together. And then my favorite, chicharong bulaklak. Like I said, I like bulaklak a lot. So this is the one. I normally, I don't fry it in oil. I use my air fryer. Kasi doon lahat tumatalsik. And then, you know, yung oil, naandun na rin na nasasalo ng air fryer. I have those big air fryer, kung tawagin natin turbo eh. So I do everything there from longganisa to bacon and you know, everything actually. Doon ko na pinafry. Kasi normally, pag yung inano mo sa mantika, di ba nagtatalsikan? I try to avoid that kasi mahirap maglinis. And then, I haven't tried this chorizo de Cebu. These are the small longganisa na bilog-bilog. So I haven't tried this. So I'm gonna try this. And then, of course, what triggered me actually to buy from Wii is because of the lanzones. I haven't tried lanzones for the longest time. So I bought, alam ko, dalawa binili ko eh. Dalawang balot. So this is frozen. Nakita ko sa mga review na pag na-thaw na you really have to eat it right away. Otherwise, I think magiging mapait. But I'll try it and then I'll share it with you guys. So that's one. Then I bought this empanada from Pinoy Goldilocks. Pero ang liliit lang pala. Kasi yung sa actual Goldilocks dito, medyo malaki dito. So, I'm gonna try it. Again, I'm gonna use the air fryer for or you can use your oven, I believe. It says here, heat and serve, fully cooked, and microwavable. But, siguro pag minicrowave mo ito, hindi magiging crispy yung labas eh. So, I would recommend use your air fryer or your oven kung wala kayong air fryer. And then, I like siomai a lot. Pero mabiliit na siomai lang to. So, normally yan. Pag nagsusopas ako or soup, yung cup of noodles, nilalagyan ko ng siomai. And then, what else do I have here? I have, sarang gini tinapa. So, yeah, I'll try this. Tagal na rin ako hindi nakakatikim ng tinapa, so I'm gonna try this. And I'm gonna share it with you guys later on. And then again, you know, my pork belly. Again, I'm gonna use the air fryer for this one. So, it looks good so far. Yung mga in-order ko. And then, umorder na rin ako ng oxtail. Although it looks like this oxtail looks small. Siguro next time, hindi na lang ako magpapadeliver nito because it looks small. Yung oxtail na binibili ko sa Asian store dito, 99 ranch, kompleto din sila. Actually, they all have this stuff. But the only thing I couldn't see there is the lanzones. Maybe they do, pero hindi lang ako masyadong tumitingin. So, that's it. I still have some more in here. I'm gonna share with you. Let me just put this away first. I'm gonna try the lanzones for sure. Para makita nyo. And I'm gonna put in a review sa Wii. So I know when you order certain amount, they give you $10 off on your first order, like $20 total for your first 2 orders. So far the delivery on this one is free and there's no service charge. And then you have to tip the driver. You can make it custom or, you know, however you wanna tip the driver, how much you wanna, you know, tip the driver. Siguro keep them a little bit higher. Yung $10 off ko, tinip ko na lang sa driver. Kasi nga, you know, you're doing online kasi for convenience, diba? So let me put this away. And then I have other boxes here too. So again, this is Wii. Ito yung kanilang pangalan, Wii. And then it says here, America's largest online Asian supermarket. Ayan siya. Just to give you a heads up. I mean, a screenshot of what it is. So let's see what's inside of this. I know I ordered some more stuff. Ito yung, makunat. Kasi siguro yung iba, they're expecting it na, kagad malutong na Siyempre, you have to kind of tweak it Kung hindi ko ina-expect na malutong siya kagad. I know it's gonna be, ito yung libreng kalendaryo. And then, I don't know what is this. I believe this is the sunny. And then I ordered rice. I think this is $16.99 for 10 pounds. And then I bake once in a while vanilla. And then I believe this is the ube flavoring. For some time I've been baking a lot, and then lately nag-stop na rin ako. I'm thinking of baking again, just to, ito yung ube flavoring. So I don't know if you guys, I'm pretty sure some of you guys are familiar with this already. And then let's I have another box here. Just to give you what's in here. Yeah. But you can always, Google and go to the internet and say we. Just we.com. Basta i-type nyo lang we, it will come up. Then we say biggest Asian store online. And then yeah. And this is it's properly actually what you call that, packed. So ito yung South Sea Pearl na this 1 pound of garlic na natanggal na yung balat, kasi I really don't like to take off the balat of the garlic. It's too time consuming, and normally nilalagay ko to sa what you call this, maging siya, pino. And then this is the last one that I have, that I ordered from them. Looks like it's frozen. Yung Yakult. So this is the Yakult. Me and my son, we always drink Yakult. So this is a good for your stomach, para ma-regulate yung alam niyo na. It's good kasi I'm having stomach problems sometimes, and it kind of regulates me. So anyhow, so that's it for today, mga kabayan. I just want to share my experience. It looks like it's good. Everything that I ordered is here and packed very well. So if you have time, or you're contemplating of doing online delivery, sa mga hindi lang naman Filipino, there's Filipino items in there. May Japanese. Well, most of these are from China. Anyways, but you can find a whole lot of stuff in there. I believe some utensils, some cookware, na andun lahat. But anyways, yeah, maraming salamat po mga kabayan. And until next time, I hope you enjoy this video and ma-share nyo sa ating mga kapwa kababayan. Bye! Until next time!